Hello again. As was of course widely predicted, the march through London of supporters of Hamas was an excuse to display anti-Semitic material and chant out loud demands for genocide. I was not surprised by this, and I seriously doubt if anybody else was either. It is the nature of the beast, and if you keep company with such people, then that is what you will see. That's what you're supporting. Perhaps we might remind ourselves of the universally agreed definition of anti-Semitism. This is the one formulated by the International Holocaust Remembrance Alliance, and in the description to this video I give a link to it. I cannot offhand think of a single respectable organisation or body in this country which has not subscribed to and adopted this definition. The British government did so 7 years ago, as did the Scottish and Welsh governments. The Labour Party and the Conservative Party, together with the Liberal Democrats, and almost every other political party in Britain has adopted it. The definition is a simple one. Anti-Semitism is a certain perception of Jews which may be expressed as hatred towards Jews. Rhetorical and physical manifestations of anti-Semitism are directed towards Jewish or non-Jewish individuals and or their property, towards Jewish community institutions and religious facilities. 11 examples are given beneath this definition, of what is encompassed by it, and they too have been unanimously adopted. These include drawing comparisons of contemporary Israeli policy to that of the Nazis. I shan't bother to explain why this is both monstrously offensive as well as being anti-Semitic. Let's just accept that every political party and government, including Sadiq Khan's London Assembly, agree unreservedly that this is anti-Semitic. What do we see on the poster shown in the thumbnail to this video? The Israeli flag and the word Auschwitz. Using the Magen David in this way is atrocious, and it tells us clearly at least some of those marching today were anti-Semites. Once again, the chant was heard from some in the crowd of "From Al-Quds to Ramallah, victory to the Intifada." This is not a call for peace, but a rallying cry for war. This is a dreadful business. This is a bunch of people who are displaying symbols of anti-Semitism and calling for genocide. Why anybody would wish to get mixed up with such a mob is an absolute mystery to me.